Hello teacher, my name is Juan Jose Perez Arango and I am enrolled in the Multimedia and Web Development Technology program. Today I will introduce my subject, my wife, Saray Jaramillo Higuita. She is 21 years old. She is Colombian. She lives in the city of Medellin. Her birthday is September 20. She is currently a homemaker, as we are expecting our first child. In her free time, she enjoys taking and going for walks. She likes going to the movies, especially and when you feels and relax. She is currently studying for a university degree in occupational safety and health. Her favorite color is pink. Her family consists of father, mother, and brother. Her mother is a certified public accountant. Her father is a pastor, and her brother in high school. She enjoys baking dessert to experiment with new flavors. Tips in the presentation. Thank you very much, teacher, for your attention.